Hey, how are you guys doing today? My name is Aaron Ramirez. Thank you guys so much for catching today's video. So for today's video, we're going to be discussing the truth about Enemy sunglasses. Now I'm sure you guys already know about Alpha M. He just released a new sunglass company called Enemy, along with his co-founder John, the Shopify guy, who left me on scene on Instagram. Thanks for that. Well, originally these sunglasses were $160, but since they did so well on the first few hours, they bumped down the price to $95, and that's how I was able to afford them. And for today's video, we're going to be unboxing two of these, along with giving a full review about how I feel about them after 24 hours. So I have two boxes of Enemy 01s, one in black and one in the other color that I can't pronounce. And I'm really pumped about these, one because I am a huge Alpha M fan. I mentioned them in my videos so many times. And since he released pictures of them like a few months ago, I knew that I really wanted a pair. And this box is kind of hard to open. It's also funny because a lot of you guys came from my quality comments in Alpha M's videos. Alright, this looks so cool. Alright, now let's open the other one. Okay, so here are both of them. I really like the logo. This, I believe, is a turquoise one. Please don't drop it. Okay. Again, more packaging. What was that? I believe this is the cloth to clean them. This is what I'm stoked about. I'm afraid to drop them. Alright. I'm so excited. It feels so clean. Okay. Wow. Alright. Let's put them on. Okay. What do you guys think? I think these are so sick. Okay. Let's unbox the other one as well. It's literally the same exact one. These are so cool. The black ones aren't mine. They are my brother's because he ordered one too after seeing how sick they were. However, these ones are mine. I picked up this color because I thought it was really sick. First impressions, these are absolutely incredible. You can see the gradient lens. I don't really know too much about sunglasses, but I know these are... So these are Zeiss lenses, and these are found in really high-end camera lenses. Like the really expensive Sony lenses, those have Zion lenses, which means these sunglass lenses have a better lens than my camera that I'm recording this with, which is insane. This is Italian acetate, and I don't really know what that means, but I know that it is really high quality, and then the spring hinges as well. Okay, so of course I can't give a full review off the bat, so I'm gonna wear these for the next 24 hours and see how I feel about them.
Audio Jungle.
I am so bad at making those. Anyways, it's been about 24 hours since I got the Enemy sunglasses. So now it's time for the full review after 24 hours. So in that terrible montage, I guess, of clips, you can see how they look on my face. And personally, I really like how it looks. I really like the color. The quality feels super amazing. For the price of $95, I think it is totally worth it. The price point for me gets a 9 out of 10. The glasses itself gets a 10 out of 10. And I even let my friends wear them. And all of them seem to like how they fit, how they feel. They even like the filter that the glasses have. I think everything about the glasses are good. Even this case right here that's suede, you can tell it's pretty heavy duty. I had absolutely no problems throughout the day. I love the spring hinges. Just overall, I really like these sunglasses. I even got a total of 2 compliments from random strangers. The cashier at Chick-fil-A really seemed to enjoy it. Imagine I just become like Casey Neistat and just wear these for every single video. Even if this light right here is insanely bright, I won't do it. Overall, I would give Enemy sunglasses a total of 10 out of 10, and I know a lot of people disagree because a lot of people think that $95 is overpriced for these sunglasses, but personally I think if you would buy these sunglasses, I think you won't regret it at all. And a lot of people would even go as far as arguing that you can get the same effect from a $5 pair of glasses. Honestly, that's 100% not true, because with a $5 pair of sunglasses, you won't get this type of quality. Like I said, these are Zeiss lenses that are found on Sony cameras, and the lenses are 100% UV protected. And $5 sunglasses won't help you too much in the sun. These will 100% help you. If you never had a pair of luxury sunglasses, this is a perfect place to start. Leave a like if you enjoyed. If you want to see more of me, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. In this channel, I try to help out other people my age with fashion, fitness, and lifestyle. So if that sounds interesting, then make sure to subscribe. But other than that, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.